Alright guys, so now we're going to go over to Chimp Feedr and we're going to give this mashup a name. So to take a name from there, we really want to be copying things like the best practices, YouTube SEO best practices, the same as what we use for the keyword that we were targeting. So I'm going to put in here, YouTube SEO best practices. Now that's going to be the name of your mashup URL. Unless you put some writing in here, unless you put some text in here, sorry, it's not going to work, okay? So I'm going to click on mashup, and it's going to take a couple of seconds, and then this will change here. It's the previous one that we did, and when that's done, it will appear and you will get a verification. You can tell this is what an RSS feed should look like. It's taking the RSS from the channels, okay? So I'm going to pause it until that's done. Okay, so mashup successful. And you can see here my keywords, YouTube SEO best practices, is now in the Chimp Feedr mashup. Okay, we use chimpfeedr.com. I find it a lot easier to use than Yahoo Pipes. You can go and manually do this as well. And if you want to do it manually, what you could do is maybe make up a mashup and add this one, add this URL. Hold on, I've got a helicopter here. Sorry about that, a big helicopter going over overhead. What I was saying is that you could mash up, you could add this URL into another mashup on chimpfeedr.com as well, and it's very easy to use. It's really easy. Just go over to chimpfeedr.com, you'll figure it out. Right, so what we want to do is go over now to the Bulkping, and we can click in here, get mashed URL, and you can see it pulls it in. So I need to give the RSS a title. I'm going to put YouTube SEO best practices. And we can put in a site URL. Now I can do a Squidoo page, I can do my YouTube channel, whatever. I like to just stick with whatever one was in the money URL, so let me just go and grab that URL. I've still got it up here. There we go. Just going to take that one, copy, get rid of that. What I like about Squidoo, sorry, Squidoo lenses is and in relation to YouTube marketing, is that you can hit it really hard with wikis and all kinds of stuff, .gov stuff, headers. It's easy to get a couple of gigs done on Fiverr that you know, they will get comments and likes and Squidoo likes and stuff like that, so it's pretty useful. It can soak up a lot of links, and that link just will pass through. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to have a description in here, and the description, what we can do is two things. I can either take something from the Squidoo page, or I could take something from one of the videos. Okay, the video that I was, if you're doing it with a video that you're, if you're pointing at a video rather than a Squidoo page or a squeeze page or something, take the description from your main money URL. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take this, because I optimized this one quite well last night. It's all about YouTube anyway. I'm going to put that in here, and we can start now posting. Okay, 8 times 1 is 8. Submit, and you can see it's pretty fast. And it's submitting to 25 RSS directories. That will help get your links indexed, not just by Google, there's other search engines too. So I'll just pause this till it finishes. Okay, you can see in here this description that I took here. It was quite fast, it only took about another 30 seconds. This description I used here, what I had done is I've got a link to Commando.com. Ideally, I would have had a link to the Squidoo page though. Okay, so it's better you put the link into the Squidoo page, but we've already got one up here anyway, so no big deal. So that's how we use the Chimp Feedr and how we use the Bulkping. Now we're going to use onlywire.com. We'll do that in the next video. Okay, thanks.